Am I the only one that didn't know trusts could be tax exempt? You need to watch this if you struggle with financial security. Traditional financial systems can be a maze of high taxes and complex regulations. But what if you could simplify it all and protect your wealth? Enter the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle. This comprehensive course empowers you with the skills to manage a tax-exempt trust, reducing your tax liabilities and securing your assets. Imagine a world where your assets are protected, your taxes minimized, and your financial future secured. With the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle, you'll learn the basics of trusts, business finance, personal finance, and so much more. From Trust 101 to Advanced Financial Solutions, we've got you covered. Plus, gain access to exclusive mentorship, a secret video library, and a private student forum. Ready to take control? Visit Liberty Aid Academy and start your journey to financial empowerment today. Your wealth, your legacy secured.